This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gabrielle Charity. Lovely, maintenance-free golf villa with private pool and gorgeous preserved views. This very well-maintained paired villa sells turnkey furnished, move-in ready, just bring your personal items. The highly desirable spacious, Inverness floor plan features an open concept with 2 bedrooms plus den/office very light and bright. It is nicely appointed including crown molding, chair rails and very tastefully furnished. Large kitchen with kitchen island, bar, breakfast nook and lots of storage. Tropical, private lanai with beautiful solar heated pool. New roof in 2015. Heritage Oaks Golf and Country Club offers a friendly atmosphere and an active lifestyle in a paradise-like setting. This bundled community features a full range of amenities plus a beautiful location that includes over 50 acres of wetlands and nature preserves. All owners are members in the Ron Garl designed golf course, which has been renovated in 2017. The 5 heated community pools, Har-Tru lighted tennis courts, the well-equipped fitness center, the casual or fine dining options in the beautiful clubhouse and the full active social calendar make this wonderful community attractive for non-golfing family members as well. Heritage Oaks is conveniently located near shopping, churches, banks, restaurants and everything Sarasota has to offer. Easy access to our famous beaches on Siesta Key and Casey Key. For more information, review the details below or contact Gabrielle Charity at 941-685-6649.